Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today we're making another drink. So guys, if you want to see what I'm making here, stay tuned. Let's get into this video. So today we'll be making oregano tea. So guys, this is the oregano I'll be using. So I will just tell you some of the benefits of oregano. Oregano has a lot of benefits, but oregano helps in weight loss, oregano helps in cold, it helps in cough, and oregano has a lot of fiber. We all know fiber is one of the things we need when losing weight. Oregano is packed with a lot of fiber. So guys, I know we all use this, some of us use it in spicing our food, and now we're going to use it to make our tea. So we'll be adding a little bit of ginger to this. We're not going to be using all of the ginger. I'm just going to be chopping the one I'm going to use. So this ginger has already been washed, and now I'm just going to chop them into little, so it will be easy to release the ginger into the boiling water we are going to use it for. So at this point guys, I've already placed my pot on top of my gas. So we're going to be adding 1 cup of water on inside the pot. So right now, the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to be using my measuring spoon to add just 1 tablespoon of oregano inside the water. You cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. I can't make right. Slipping off. The one I added wasn't enough, so I just had to add a little to make it 1 spoon of oregano inside the water. So at this point, we're going to be adding the chopped ginger. You can go ahead and use and grate your ginger if that's what you prefer. Just do it. It will still be perfect that way. And if you have the bag of oregano tea, you can still use that. If you can find the plant as well, you can go ahead and use that. So we are just going to cover this and allow this to come to a boil for 10 minutes. So once that is coming to a boil, we're still going to be using our lemon. You can go ahead and use lime if you have lime, but here we'll be using lemon. So at this point, we're going to extract the juice out of the lemon with my hand juicer. Me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself. So guys, once that is done, we're going to place in the cup or anything you need to strain out the water. Now we're going to be using this is after 10 minutes. Our oregano drink is almost set to drink. So right now we're just going to strain the chaff. Now they are not chaff, we're just going to strain them out of the water. So guys, this is how our drink and this is how the oregano came out. So oregano tea came out. We're going to add the lemon juice inside, and right now we're just going to give this whole thing a stir. And right now guys, our drink is ready to serve. If you want to add honey, you can go ahead and add honey to yours. And guys, we are ready. You won't just miss this drink guys. The aroma alone in this drink, you will need to try it. It has a very good aroma, and we all know the weather that we are now is cold, cough, and this is one drink that you should try and give, and you should try and make right in your kitchen. You're going to enjoy it. And secondly, it helps in weight loss. Take this first thing in the morning, and it has a lot of fiber. It's going to make you stay longer before eating any food, and I hope you enjoyed this. It will help you in this festive period. Thank you so much, and bye bye.